Beautiful large one bedroom in Forest Hill. This is entrance. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. Windows in the kitchen. It's a linen closet. Bathroom. This is the bedroom, a large bedroom, can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with two closets, there's one here, another one right there. Bathroom is clean. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. Half a block from the express train on 71st Continental stop, the E train, F train, also near the MNR train, LIR train. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.